What if I told you the most powerful thing you can do for your health is actually not eating? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. If you go 5 days without food, you won't starve. You'll actually heal your body. Let's break down exactly what happens on day 1, day 2, all the way through day 5. Quick note before we dive in. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before attempting any prolonged fast. On the first day, your body burns through glycogen. That's your stored sugar and water. That's why people lose 1 to 3 pounds instantly. Insulin levels drop, and boom, your body starts switching from burning sugar to burning fat. Appetite? Practically gone. You're literally eating your own fat as fuel. Day 2, things get exciting. You enter ketosis. Your body runs on ketones, which give your brain clean, powerful energy. And then autophagy kicks in. That's your body's natural recycling system. It breaks down old junk cells and builds fresh, healthy ones. It's like a deep cleaning service for your body. By day 3, you're in deep ketosis. Your brain feels sharper, your mood lifts, and your focus goes through the roof. This is thanks to BDNF, a brain growth factor that helps you create new brain cells. Your immune system resets. Your gut lining starts to heal, and autophagy ramps up, cleaning out damaged mitochondria, the root of many chronic diseases. On day 4, fat burning is at its peak. Hunger? Gone. Your longevity genes switch on. Inflammation plummets. Autophagy is now attacking precancerous cells, brain plaque, and even old infections hiding in your cells. Your body is basically saying, let's survive and thrive. Day 5 extends all those benefits. But here's the critical part. How you break the fast matters more than the fast itself. Start small. An egg with sauerkraut, a little soup, some avocado. Avoid sugar and heavy meals at first. Bone broth is perfect. This careful refeeding activates stem cells and triggers a massive rebuild for your brain, your skin, your joints, everything. So, fasting isn't starvation. It's a reset button for your body. It activates healing processes you never get if you're always eating. Would you ever try a 5-day fast? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to start small, begin with intermittent fasting before jumping into 5 days. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe if you want more science-based health breakdowns.